There has been so much noise about okra water recently. People online swear that okra water aids digestion, balance blood sugar level, it increases your libido, and clears your skin, giving you a glowing skin. But the question is it just a mere TikTok wellness myth? Well, I tried drinking okra water for 7 days straight, and honestly, I was surprised with the results. In this video, I'm going to be showing you why people drink okra water. I'm also going to be showing you how to prepare okra water the right way. And I'm going to be showing you my test, my 7-day test on okra water. And finally, I'm going to be giving you my honest verdict about drinking okra water. Just make sure you stay till the end to get my recommendation. Why do people drink okra water? I'm going to tell you from the start that okra belongs to that group of food as medicine plants. There are so many plants that you can use as medicine, and okra, I think, comes first of these foods. It's your food, at the same time is medicine. And there have been so many claims. A lot of people claims it aids digestion. Also, they claim it is anti-inflammatory. They also claim that it regulates blood sugar. It balances your blood sugar. It does not make the blood sugar to spike. Another benefit of okra water is that it improves your libido. Other claims is that it's also good for weight loss. It is diuretic. It flushes out toxin from the system, the kidney. It contains that soluble fiber. Okra contains soluble fiber that is very good in aiding digestion. It's also good, this soluble fiber also good in fighting the free radicals in your system. Okra water aids skin glow. It makes your skin to grow because it's not just any kind of water. Because of the slimy nature of the water, it helps the skin to glow. It also aids energy. It's an energy booster. By taking okra water, then your level of energy increases. You don't get tired easily. Those are the claims of people online about okra water. I actually did my own research before going into it to try it out, and most of the claims are also true. And in fact, what I learned is that okra water, the rave about okra water is not just hype. It's not just hype. It is science backed. Science back it up because of the benefit, everything included, the antidiuretic, the anti-inflammatory, the flavonoid, and the rest that you have in okra water. Also, the okra itself contains folate property. That means folic acid that is needed in pregnancy. So pregnant women taking okra water or taking okra as food helps them to have that folic that they need in pregnancy. It helps the mother as well as it helps the unborn child because of the properties involved, the folate in it. Apart from benefiting the glowing the skin, it also benefits hair growth and the nail. It gives you that stronger nail and also imparts the hormonal balance. And this is very good for women, especially when they are pregnant. It helps their hormonal balance because during pregnancy, a lot of women tend to have irrational hormones, but this one imparts, it gives them the hormonal balance. Also very useful in increasing the libido. It increases the libido for both male and female, and it also helps in fertility. If you are suffering infertility, this okra water can help. And all these, they are backed by science. Coming to my 7-day experiment. Day 1, this okra water taste weird. I could not really get the taste. It was not, maybe because it was the first day. the taste was not strong. It was like a cucumber water, but slightly, but a little bit thicker than cucumber water. But day 2, I still experienced mild bloating. There was this mild bloating. I've not started, there are no serious changes. Then day 3, I felt less bloated. My energy shot up, the energy increased, my digestion felt smoother. Then day 4, there was no much difference. I moved to day 5. Day 5, something very, very important happened in day 5. Notice my cravings are down and my energy shot up. I was so energetic. I was able to move up and down. I was able to move about, and my bloating reduced totally. I didn't notice bloating unlike before. Day 6 was just like day 7. And the 7th day, which was the last day, skin feels smoother. I noticed my skin feels smoother and my digestion goes down. My digestion has been very great. Honestly, I feel very good on day 7. You don't believe me? Then I want to challenge you to try this 7-day challenge and see for yourself. Let me know in the comment what you feel. How is the taste and how do you feel after testing out this okra water for 7 days? I must say that okra water is not just the hype. I thought it was the hype, but after testing it for 7 days straight, I realized it's very, very good because I felt very good. The question is, do I want to still take it again? Yes, I will take it. Maybe not every day or not regularly, but once in a while I will take it. At least like twice in a month I will take it because the benefit has been very, very wonderful. In fact, I didn't believe it. I thought it was just the normal online, the TikTok wellness meat, but in fact I've been blown away. How do you prepare okra water? Well, just get like 4 to 6 bulb of okra and just cut into pieces. Then get a glass container or a glass cup. Then you fill the glass container with the okra water, with the okra, and add water. Fill the glass or your glass container with okra to get to the half, the okra bulb to get to the half of the glass cup or glass container. Then add water to make it full. Then you have to do it prepare it the night before, because okra water must stay for between 12 and 24 hours. So the way I did my own was to prepare it the night before and drink it the first thing in the morning. And it is recommended to drink it first thing in the morning before food. You drink it before food. That is when you get the benefit. And this, like I said, is science-backed. It's not something I thought naturally it was just the normal TikTok meat and hype. But after trying it for 7 days straight, I realized this is not just hype. It works and it's working. And like I said, I will do it again. It might not be every day, it might not be every time, but I will do it from time to time. If you enjoyed this video talking about okra water, then you enjoyed this video here that is telling you one plant that you can use as drink that is worth more than gold mine. Yeah. Until I come your way again in my next video, remain blessed. Thank you.